Hello, Photoshop enthusiast. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into an essential aspect of digital design, resolutions in Photoshop. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding resolution is crucial for creating high-quality images. In this video, we are going to talk about how to optimize your design for various projects. Let's get started. So before we dive into, let's clarify what resolutions are. In Photoshop, resolution refers to the numbers of pixels per inch. You can use the PPI in the image, and it plays a significant role of determining sharpness and clarity of your design. So high resolutions generally means more details, while lower resolution may result of pixelations. Okay. So if I'm going to zoom out or zoom in like this and it's come up like this, also I will show you step by step in Photoshop. You can find the image size dialog box where you can adjust the dimensions and resolutions for your images. So I'll guide you through the designs and explain how to change its resolution, in fact, the overall quality of your design. Okay, so let's get started, and we need to use the images, and you can open an image by going to the file tabs and choose the open from here. I'll choose the pictures if you want to work on. Okay, so for this tutorial I already have the pictures in this one, and I want to work with this one. Okay, and then the next step is go to the image and use the image's size. Okay, so here you can find there is the different sizes. So now this picture is in 4949 and the height is 299 and 2788. So the resolution is the 75. So you can easily increase this one by writing. Okay, so if I give the resolution, like if I say the resolution will be 300, so how it will come, can now see the changes. This one, it gives the high resolution image in there. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so it's now converting your 72 resolution into 300 resolutions. Okay, so and you can get the high resolution image by using, and this is the easiest way you can do, and let need to wait in here. So here we've got the result, and we get here the result, and this is the resolution in 300. Okay, so this way you can see the resolution is now too high for this tutorial. Okay, now let's move into another DPI for printing. And for printing project like the poster or brochures, the term DPI is dot per each is commonly used. We will discuss how to set the appropriate DP for the fit, ensuring your design looks sharp when physically produces. Okay, so let's and we can do this by using also the same way. Go to the image size, and you can get here this one as the here reduce, or you can use it. So by this way you can get the high resolutions in there. Okay, so that is, and also when designing for the web or screen are different approaches, the resolution needs, and we can use the high resolutions with and make it the high resolutions. Okay, so for now I'll cancel it, and this is it for today's tutorial on the resolutions in Photoshop. Whether you are preparing image for printing or optimizing them for the web understanding, resolution is the key to achieve professional result. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.